Oh yeah, one wheel. I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble on this one. Probably gonna wad my shit, but oh well. You know which way this thing goes. Oh. Don't want to end up like Alex. That'll be bad. My knuckles went missing too. I think it's just swollen.
No. It's okay. Just fucking pull it. You have to.
God,
ready?
Yep.
It won't hurt. Just pull it slowly.
Slow?
Yeah. Okay. It moved.
Oh! Let's see how fast we get this puppy going. Oh shit! Finally made it to Powell. 2022. Gonna get fucking turned. That's all I can say. I was getting pretty sketch. I got pretty sketchy though. Dude, I was more nervous than hitting like a 100-foot triple. I don't know why.
Dude, it gets a little squirrely in the gravel, huh?
No, the gravel was fine. I was all those bumps coming down the.
Oh,
dude, they're huge.
Dude, that's what Alex ate shit on.
Oh,
God.
Scratching the surfboard.
Oh, almost killed you.
All I did is scratch the surfboard. Is that okay right there?
They're trying to kill me with their words, but that ain't gonna work, no. I come back to life. Somebody let them know they might have gotten close, but I come back to life. Yeah.
Ready?
I come back to life. Yeah. They trying to kill me, but they can't do it. Bounce back, get through it, I go through it. No losing, just learning. I'm in Sherman Oaks. I just got back from the German coast. Middle East, the women love me. Put me on a Persian throne. People angry, they believe I'm too proud. I don't hear I lose the talk and the arena's too loud. Got a target on my back, that's what's different, boy. That's what confidence attracts, that's what winning does. Make myself up, but you all start tweaking. I may not respond, but I see y'all sneaking. I ain't for retweets, I see y'all reaching. Damn, that's your girl, should be here all weekend. Make myself up, watch them all start tweaking. I may not respond, but I see y'all sneaking. I ain't for retweets, I see y'all reaching. Damn, that's your girl, should be here all weekend. I come back to life. Trying to kill me with their words, but that ain't gonna work, no. I come back to life. Somebody let them know they might have gotten close, but I come back to life. Yeah.
Alright. First. I see, big dog.
My first?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I haven't done one of these in a minute.
Nice.
Nothing I can say, facing all this pain in my way. I fight it every day. Why am I this way? A nigga trying to maintain. I sit and tell myself, okay, we gotta find another way.
Bye, hello.
Like this, Tyler.
I got nothing there. Until it goes right there, you know what I'm saying?
The next day.
You sell 2 horses for $20,000 apiece.
We broke it down, but still having a good time.
Kid's down bad.
Selling the boat.
Can we sell the boat,
Two for
keep
two.
the money? Let's sell the
Two
boat,
for two.
keep the money, and pay for the wedding. Just have a banger wedding.
No, we're not doing that.
Oh,
We're up
they are
now,
having a
thanks.
good
Oh,
time.
whoa, Jesus.
Wait, did she
She
show
flashed
us?
us?
She just showed her tits.
I missed it?
Yeah.
Did I get on video?
I've seen it. Oh, we're gonna be screwed. We just catching it.
Ow!
Gainer.
No. I'm broke, dude.
I had a little dive.
Huh?
That was a great dive.
Fucking money, huh?
What about one of these, huh?
That's it, that's it. Oh!
Sorry.
What's my dome in the head with my knee?
That's okay. It'll be funny for the video. I'll pull time out.
Yep. See you back dive, babe. Try it.
Yeah, do him!
I gotta get the log out of my eye.
We gotta put this up. Oh, we fucked, bro. Look at this.
We're saved. Been out here for 3 days. Been out here 3 days.
Just as the last beer has been opened.
I want some of that.
It's been saved.
Oh wow.
Oh, Hannah,
Oh wow, wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, hydration. Fucking good.
I thought I had a log in my eye.
Yeah, I figured that one. Well, I was thinking we need your rope.
Whoa, man down. Hannah acting like she's gonna help.
Yeah.
She's gonna try.
Look, Brock, come here. I jumped in and I. Oh.
I don't know.
Huh?
Oh, the waste gate or the water gate. And are your bags out, Brock?
And we'll grab the.
grab one.
Yeah.
You got the eggs,
You
huh?
listen up. Zoe.
Got the huevos. Oh, yeah.
Take that upstairs.
Yeah, he could really tank those things.
I can't.
Crazy.
Okay, it's just
What?
What? What? What? Look at this food. Look at that. That was all Kyle.
It's all Ricky and Hannah.
Like Dr. Pepper is
I'm all
doing
messed up on the Dr. Pepper.
Mom,
I'm gonna take
I
3
have
if
fallen up
everybody's
the
okay with
stairs
that.
at school so many times.
I don't want
It's
it.
like